Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign your team members and coworkers to tasks on ClickUp to work on them, for example, within your project or workspace. So let us get started right away, guys. It is very simple. Head over to clickup.com, make sure that you're logged in with your account, select your workspace here in the top left. And what you may do next, guys, is click on that button here on the left panel to get a better overview of all of your workspaces spaces and select the space you would like to work on. So let me go with that test space here. And inside your space, guys, switch from overview to list to get a better overview of all to-do list with the associated tasks listed below. So let me go with that to-do list here. You may create a new task, for example, by clicking on that button. Now, as you can see, I've created already 3 example tasks for that to-do list inside my space. But now I would like to assign team members to it. To do that, simply select the given task with your left mouse. And after that, you will be redirected to that customization or to these task settings. Basically, all you want to do, guys, is here under assignees, click on it and enter the given team members or coworkers email address here to send an invitation to invite the given team member to the given task and to assign him or her to it. If you see already, for example, if the given team member is already a member of your workspace, you may invite and assign the given team member directly to the given task by selecting him or her from assignees below. Like, for example, I can assign myself or remove myself from that list or assign myself again to that task. And that's how it works in practice, guys. As you can see, very simple. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and see you next time.